the smallest number that must be added to 1965 to make it a perfect cube. So I'm adding something here to make it a perfect cube. So what do we want to do? We want to find the closest number to 1965, but greater than 1965. That's a perfect cube. Right? 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. So obviously this is a larger number. And so I'm going to jump in and say, okay, 10 cube is 1000. So we've got to make this more than 10 cube. Right? 20 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, 8, 8000. It is definitely our answer is less than 20 cube. 8000 is a large number. This is just 1965. Wonderful. So let's think about from 10,000, you have to go all the way close to 2000. Right? So let's think about maybe 12 cube. Then we'll step out from there. 12 cube is 12 into 12 into 12. 12 and 12 is 144. 144 into 12. 12 fours are 48. 8, 4. 48 plus 452, 2, 5, 1728. 1728 is much larger than 1000, but it's not larger than 1965. So the answer we are looking for is not 12 cube. So let's try 13 cube. 13 into 13 into 13. 13 into 13 is 169 into 13. 13 nines are 117. Or we'll go step by step. 3 into 9, 27, 7, 2. 18 plus 2, 20, 0, 2, 3 plus 2, 5, plus 1, 6, 9. So add this 7, 9, 1, 1, 2197. Wonderful. So 2197 is 13 cube. So 1965 plus something should become 2197. How do we find that something? 2197 minus 1965, which is 2, 3, 232. The smallest number that can be added to this to give a perfect cube is 232.